Are you facing any issue to enable data layer on your Shopify store? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, this is Obaid here. Welcome to my another new video tutorial. In this video I will share with you how you can enable data layer on your Shopify store. If you are wanted to track your all of our online store or any e-commerce website data, then you know how much the important is the data layer, to enable the data layer on your e-commerce website. Because if you can't enable data layer on your Shopify website, then you can't track any data without Shopify data layer. So in this video I will share with you how you can enable it very easily. So you know there are lots of Shopify apps, there are a lot of premium Shopify apps built in, which is used for Shopify tracking, but you know the problem is most of them are too much costly, very expensive. As you can see, here's the Shopify app for data tracking with including data layer and Google Tag Manager with GA4, so everything. So this plugin is apps is very expensive. As you can see, you have to pay 150 per month for this, and you can see there are a lot of packages here. So but in this video I will show you how you can enable data layer without using any kind of apps. So let's get started. So you know what is Shopify data layer? Data layer is one of the most important aspect of data tracking and analytics to help you to make the most of your tracking experience. It will help you to track exactly data from your Shopify store, and you can check everything of your visitor behavior on your Shopify store. So basically data layer is a JavaScript object that is used to pass information from your website to your Google Tag Manager container. You can then use that information to populate variables and activate triggers in your tag configuration, which will help you to do remarketing. Like here is an example. As you can see in this picture, this is a kind of your Shopify or any e-commerce website, like it's your e-commerce website. So whenever anyone visit on your Shopify store, then there will be a lot of data, right? If I show an example store here, let me show you. As you can see, this is one of my Shopify store I'm doing for practical work. So you can see there are lots of product. So all of the products, every single product has a lots of data or lot of information, like product title, and you can see there's a product price and product color, and there will be a lot of variation. So product specification, there will be also product description, right? So there are lots of data. So whenever anyone visit on your store, whenever anyone click on product, whenever anyone click on add to cart or want to purchase the product, then you can check or you can track all of this user behavior from the backend using Shopify data layer. So Shopify data layer is very important for this. Without this you can track any data. Okay, so whenever anyone visit on the Shopify store, then data layer will help you to track the data from your Shopify store to Google Tag Manager. After that you can pass the data to any kind of marketing platform, like you can use it for Facebook marketing, and you can send them to GA4, Google Analytics 4. You can use it for Google Ads and etc. So we will use the latest Shopify GA4 data layer process, because there are lots of way to enable data layer, but most of them are not working right now. So we are using a very latest process to enable data layer without using any app, and this is for according to GA4 Schema, which is very helpful for GA4. So without further delay, let's get started. Okay, so let me show you what happened when we don't have any data layer on our Shopify store. Like our tag manager is connected with our Shopify store, but we don't have any data layer on the Shopify store. Then what happened, like whenever we do anything with product, like I just added add to cart on this product. After that, whenever I click on checkout, so as you can see there is no data layer. Like whenever we click on it, as you can see there is no data layer, but whenever we enable the data layer in our Shopify store, after that you can after that we will get a lot of data in this data layer. So let's do this. So we have to do some process. As you know that for this we need a Google Tag Manager. So we have you just need to visit on tagmanager.google.com. After that you just need to create a container, which is very easy process. As you know that just click a container, and you have to just set up a name. After that you can click a container like this way very easily. So whenever you click a container, then you will get a code here like this way. There will be a two code, so we have to use this code on our Shopify store to connect our Google Tag Manager account with Shopify. So let's do this. So okay, before applying any code, you can back up your store from here. Just click on duplicate so that you can duplicate all of your store data here. So with backup a file of my Shopify store, it will help me to recover if I face any issue with the data. So you can also do this before applying any code on your Shopify store. So now let's do this. Just click on edit code. After that, click on edit code. So there will be a lot of file. You just need to click on theme.liquid file, and after that go there and copy the Google Tag Manager base code from here. And here's an instruction for you. I already created a premium doc file for you where you will get all of the guidelines very easily, step by step. It will help you to do all of the process very easily, and I will provide the link on the video description box. Okay, so our step 1 is to install Google Tag Manager base code on Shopify. So for this you need to go to online store, theme, action, edit code, layout, theme.liquid file. As I already did it, you can see I just visited to theme.liquid file. Now we need to put the GTM base code directly to the opening head tag. So let's do this. Okay, so I just copy the GTM base code from here, and let me paste it to the after the head tag. Here is the head tag. I just paste it here. After that you can also there is another one code. This is called additionally. Paste this code immediately after the opening body tag. We can also do this. So let's do this on the body tag. So go to our Shopify backend, and to find the body tag very easily, click on head tag, double click on head tag. Then here is the closing head tag. After that, this one is for body tag. Just place this code opening body tag after the body tag. Okay, then click on save. Alright, so our step 1 is complete here. Now go to the step 2. As you can see, I already there is a screenshot guideline so that you can do this process very easily. And if you face any issue, I am here to help you. You just contact me for any kind of support. Okay, so our step 2 is create the data layer of all pages snippet. Use exact naming. Okay, so we need to create a snippet. The name will be data layer all pages. So how you can do this, just visit the Shopify Shopify backend again, and you can see there are some folder here named snippet. Click on it and click on add a new snippet. But make sure that you have to click the snippet from here. Okay, click on add new snippet. After that, the name should be look like this, exactly same name, data layer all pages, and click on done. You will get the name here. You just need to copy from there and create a snippet like this way. So we need to implement a code here. So how you will get the code, you just click on it. After that, it will open a doc file. So you just need to copy the whole code from here. So you can see there's a very large code file here. You just need to copy all of the code. Just click on Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy all of the code very easily. Okay, so or you can also copy from here like this way. All right, so after that paste it here. All right, and click on save. So you can see GTM there's showing to replace the GTM, but we don't need to replace any code here because as we already used our GTM base code on theme.liquid file, so we don't need to change anything here. Okay, just click on save. So we created a data layer snippet already. So now we need to call this data layer snippet in our theme.liquid header. Okay, so for this you can see in the guideline also I already mentioned about it. You can see the screenshot as well. And now we have to do our step 3, which is within the theme.liquid layout. Place this below the snippet right before the closing head tag. Okay, so just copy this code from here, and we need to place this before closing head tag. Okay, So click on the theme.liquid file again. So just click on the head to find out the closing head tag, and you can also find using Control F. Okay, so here is, you can see our closing head tag. Before the closing head tag, you just paste the code nicely. You can see I already pasted the code. After that, click on save. Alright, so our step 3 is also completed. You can see the screenshot as well. So now step 4, we need to place a code on the where we need to place a code in the checkout. Okay, so without applying this code, it will not work for you can track any purchase data. That's why we need to use this code as well. So let's do this. For this, we need to exit from there and go to the checkout. From setting, I already provide all of the guidelines here. Go to setting, checkout, order processing, and we need to paste the code on script additional. There will be a box for this. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so from here, click on settings, and here's the option checkout. Click on it. After that, scroll down, and you can scroll down a little bit. You can see in our order status page there is an option additional script. Okay, we need to paste the code here. Okay, so for this code, I also provided you the code here. You just need to click on it, checkout data layer, and it will redirect you in a new doc file where you will get the code. So press Ctrl A and Ctrl C, or you can also copy from here. So you need to copy all of the code. So after applying, you can see there's I already marked here. You just need to replace the GTM code according to your tag manager GTM base code. Okay, we need to replace this. Okay, let's paste it here. After that, we will replace it very easily. So I just replace the code here, and after that, scroll up and just change the GTM code from here. Okay, so I'll just copy the GTM code from here and we'll paste it here. Just change the GTM base code. That's it. Okay, after that, click on save. Alright, so our step 4 is also completed, and you can see replace the GTM base code from above. I already did it. You have to replace the GTM code from there. Okay, so step 4 is completed. Now we need to test this so that our code is working or not. Okay, so our data layer is working or not. So let's check it right now. Alright, so after applying the code, we just click on submit, and let's publish it from here and continue. Okay, after that, go to workspace, but make sure that whenever we apply the code, we have to paste the code exactly without any space. Whenever we apply any code, like there's an option to, like we need to create a snippet like data layer all pages. Whenever we create a snippet, we have to paste data layer all pages, but make sure that there's no any additional space here, because if you apply any, is there any space or any other text, then the code will not work. So you have to paste exactly the same thing. So you just have to copy from there and paste it on your Shopify backend. Alright, so as you can see, okay, let's preview the store from here so that our data layer is working or not. So connect from here. As you can see, our tag manager is connected. So okay, let's visit the store and try to purchase a product. Let's view this product. Okay, so let's see, let's go to the tag manager to see it's working or not. Alright, so you can see homepage is, as you can see homepage, we can see the homepage, and whenever we click on homepage, from the homepage and data layer, as you can see there are lots of data, and all of them are according to GA4 schema. Okay, so let's click click on add to cart, remove from the cart to see that's all is working or not. As you can see, all of events are fired here. As I just removed a product from the add to cart, as you can see, remove from cart is already showing here, and you can see there is all of the data. As you can see also which product I just removed from the cart. You can see women's cute cartoon print, that's the product name I just removed from the cart. Okay, so let's do this again and let's purchase the product to see our product is working or not. So if I purchase any product from here, like this one, click on it, view this product. After that, click on add to cart. So you will get whatever you do on the whenever your visitor will do anything on your Shopify store, you will get all of the data here. As I just view a product, it's look like baby teenager girl dresses. So let's see, you can see on view cart all of our data is working perfectly. Wow, that's great. As you can see, the product name is here, and this is the item brand. Everything is working perfectly. As you can see, the product value is 31.48, 31.8. It's showing in different currency, but that actual product value is 31.48. It's showing in our local currency, that's why. So let's check out the product and purchase the product to see that our purchase data layer is working or not. So to complete it, okay, click on continue shopping. You can see product price is 31.48 here. So let's purchase this product. Okay, click on continue to payment. So I will do a test purchase from here. Okay, let's cart number and let's and click on pay now. So your order is being processed. Yeah, you can see it's showing thank you by that's when I purchased the product successfully. Your order is confirmed. So let's go to our tag manager and see that our purchase event is fired or not. Wow, that's great. As you can see, our purchase event is fired here. Whenever we click on purchase and data layer, you can see all of the data as I submitted here. Like you can see I submitted admin@gmail.com. You can track this data here, and all of the customer details. As you can see, all of the customer details are here, like full name, as the name I submitted a few minutes ago. All of the details you can see here, even all of the product information. The product price is 31.48, and product name, product image URL, and product description. So everything is working perfectly. You can see 31.48 and 31.48. This is the product value. So you can see the Shopify data layer is working perfectly using this method, and this is the complete guideline how you can set up Shopify data layer on your Shopify store. So I will provide the document details on the how you can get the documents, premium documents. I will provide the documents details on the video description, so that you can get it and you can use it. Alright, so if you face any issue, here is my contact details. You can feel free to contact with me. So if you face any issue, I will available here to help you. Okay, so that's all for today. If you found this video helpful for you, then please feel free to subscribe my channel and like my video and share with your friends as well. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.